In this video, I'll show you how to find the top traders of meme coins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, when I mean top traders, I actually mean the individuals that have traded well enough, or the top individuals that either bought and sold for a good amount of profit on a particular meme coin, right? Now, for you to make this happen, you need to select a meme coin of your choice, right? So I selected this meme coin from the displayed options right here. For you to find the top traders, you're going to come on here. You're going to do this. Follow me. Take this up, right? That is basically to adjust it. I think to adjust it. Yeah, exactly. So once I'm done with adjustment, you can come on here. You can see this one, but $323 sold for 2,000. 323 sold for 1,000. Bought for 39,000, sold for 41,000. So as well, you can see the profit they made right on each sales and each buys. So this is basically how you can find the top traders of a meme coin on Dexscreener. If you find this video helpful, ensure you share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one. This video is basically for educational purpose only. If you have any questions, ensure you do what to ask me below in the comment section. See you guys in the very next one.